The alignment tool allows users to orient multiple furniture elements together in a specific direction. Begin by selecting the furniture. Then, navigate to the Object Properties tab where you will find an alignment drop-down menu. This menu provides several alignment options. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Please note, alignment occurs with respect to the selection box. Now, let's explore the Replace With tool. If you want to experiment with different design options by replacing existing furniture, simply select the furniture and go to the Object Properties tab. Here you will find a Replace With drop-down menu. You can either directly search for a specific of furniture or select it from the respective category. Choose the furniture that best fits your design. Furthermore, you can select multiple elements at once to replace them. For instance, if you want to replace all chairs of a certain type, select them using the Select Similar option. Then, in the Object Properties, navigate to the respective category and select the desired furniture element from the options. By using the Align and Replace With tools, you can create various design options and evaluate complete design possibilities for your projects on Snaptrude.